Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can add a video overlay in CapCut PC. If you are using CapCut PC for the first time and you don't know how you can use it and how to add overlay in CapCut PC, so let me show you how. I think it is very simple. For instance, I'm just going to add one video to the track, and I'm just going to add another video, and I want to make it as an overlay, so which is this video. Just drag and put on top of video, so it has become an overlay, and you can blend with cutout option here. You can click on the cutout or Chroma Key for remove the background, or you can blend with this option mode blend. Just tap on mode blend and select um, mode option here. Yeah, like so. uh yeah, so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.